The Karakoram Highway, often abbreviated KKH in some time, transliterated as Karakoram, is the highest paid international road in the world. It connects Western China and Pakistan. It is one of the very few routes that cross the Himalayas and the most westerly of them. Historically, this was a caravan trade, one branch of the ancient Silk Route. More recently, the Chinese and Pakistan governments have built a highway. The name is derived from the Mongolian or Black Range. When the Mongols had their great empire, it was adopted later by their descendants, the Mughal Empire, who ruled India for many centuries. The highway has become an adventure tourism destination and ranked as the third best tourist destination in Pakistan by the Guardian newspaper. It is the highest border crossing in the world at an elevation of over 4,800 meters, roughly 16,000 feet, at the Khunjra Pass, that is also called a Pak-China border. For comparison, Mont Blanc, the tallest mountain in Western Europe, is 4,810 meter, and Mountain Whitney, the highest point in the 48 contiguous US states. It may be the ultimate challenge for the devoted cyclist. They are organized bicycles, tours, and several books about bicycling this route. Although as travel to Pakistan has declined because of terrorist attacks, the number of tours has fallen. It is a trip that is possible to undertake independently, although consideration should be given to the heat and altitude if traveling unspotted. The border is not open for cyclists. Instead, you can board the bus in either China or source in Pakistan. From the Pakistani side, you can cycle up to the pass, but not over. You will have to return to source to take the bus. The highway runs roughly north-south across the Karakoram mountain range and through the Khunjra Pass at the border in Pakistan. It runs from Abbottabad to the border through provinces of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Gilgit-Baltistan. After the border, it runs across the cross part of China, Xinjiang province to Kashgar. In China, the KKH is known as the Friendship Highway due to its high elevation and the difficult conditions in which it was constructed. It has also been called the eighth wonder of the world. Let me tell you again, due to its high elevation and the difficult conditions in which it was constructed, it has also been called the eighth wonder of the world. Now you know why it is called the eighth wonder of the world. The Karakoram Highway or KKH is a two-way all-weather road in Pakistan except for the Khunjra Pass, which is closed from January through to April due to heavy snowfall. Landslide that can block the road for hours or more of common at some places during the monsoon season. Actually, I was stuck at Karakoram Highway near Dasi for like 2 days because there was a heavy landslide. Anyways, that is the story of past. Let's talk about present and let's discuss something about the KKH, which is good. Some parts of the highway, for example, the area between Bisham and Chilas in Pakistan and the desert areas on the Chinese side are very hot. During summer, the temperature can reach 45 degrees centigrade or up. No, this is something you guys need to understand. Even in winter, if you travel through Karakoram Highway, you will find the Kohistan, upper Kohistan area is hot. Taken together, these factors mean that the KKH is best traveled in the spring or early autumn. Yes, autumn is awesome. Autumn is awesome of KKH, especially of Mundra, especially of Pandar Valley, especially of Skardu. Autumn is like you can compete autumn of GB with autumn of any country in the world. You can travel by simply any means, cycle, buses, bike, car, but the most used method is hopping onto vans, which is affordable as well as convenient. Some say it is one of the scariest roads or dangerous roads in the world because of the potential steep fall of hundreds of meters of the unprotected road edge on one side, with unstable mountains on the other side that are likely to cause landslides during harsh weather. Now this is you have to be ready. You have to make your mind. It can happen anytime, anywhere on KKH. So do not underestimate the landslide at KKH. Sometimes the road gets so narrow in some places that only one vehicle can pass at a time, while the other waits on the very narrow edge of the road. You will see lots of big heavy vehicles. Most of the track are located on the Pakistani side. No, actually this is not true. This used to be sometimes around in 90s or actually early 90s. But since the KKH was built, you can say KKH was rebuilt between 2007 to 2013. Now it is a two-way road and you can easily travel on KKH without having a fear that you will have to make stop if any bus or vehicle come from the other side. If you wish to use the highway to cross borders, get the visa other country beforehand. Otherwise, entry at the border will not be guaranteed. Entry will not be guaranteed to those on cycles. You must be transported on a motorcycle vehicle. So take the bus from a nearby town to cross the frontier. So that's it from my side. Till now, I will come again with more information on Karakoram Highway in my next video. Bye.